Hey legends, welcome to CyberUdaan 8.
Hey friends, want to publish your personal portfolio website for free? Today I will show you step by step how to upload your portfolio folder to GitHub and make it live in minutes. Super simple, perfect for beginners. First, we need to create a repository. You can just click on New and I have already copied the name, so ensure the name should be here and here also. So I just added one H over here. Let me copy it. I will just copy over here. It's a personal portfolio. I'm just adding an updated one as a description, make it public. Now open the terminal. The second step, we need to upload the folder. So we need to open a terminal over here. Then we need to copy this path. Okay, so now we are in a portfolio folder. Now we need to initialize it. It's done. Then we need to connect a remote repository over here. So for that, we use command git remote add origin. So I need to copy paste this path over there. We'll just maximize it. So now your local folder is linked with Git repository. Then we have to use a git add. Then we have to commit the changes using this command initial portfolio upload. Then we have to create a branch over here. Branch means it's a main folder. You can say branch main. Now we have to push the information to GitHub. We will use a command git push origin main. So now you can see it has been copied. Now we have to enable the GitHub pages. So for that, we need to go to GitHub. So we'll just click on quote code, maybe, so you will find all the folders over here. So you can see it was empty before. Now it copies all the required information. So to enable GitHub pages, we need to go to settings, then scroll down, click on pages. And after that, it should be deployed from branch. Then we need to select a branch over here as a main, and it should be root only. Then you have to click on save. So as you can see, it has been processed. So it will take some couple of minutes to get processed when we click on view. So it's in commit phase, so we need to check. So you can see pages build and deployment pages is in progress. So we need to wait for some time until the time it loaded. So I have already copied these commands and I will share these commands to you in a description also, and as it taking time. So what I will do? Recently, I have uploaded another portfolio website, so I will just show you that quickly. So as it taking time, I'm just showing you other one. So this is a website portfolio I have created, and you can see it's live. And if this helps, smash that like. Subscribe for more free tech hacks and commit your portfolio link below. I will check them out. So now you can see we are waiting for the portfolio website to get deployed. So this is the portfolio website, as you can see, which we have created earlier. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel.